Shark Navigator Liftaway NV356E Full Review. Looking for a powerful upright vacuum that handles pet hair, allergens, carpets, and hard floors with ease? Today's review covers the Shark Navigator Liftaway Upright Vacuum NV356E, a versatile and reliable cleaning solution designed for everyday homes and pet owners. Lift-away functionality and maneuverability. One of the standout features is lift-away functionality. With a simple release, the detachable pod lifts off, making it easy to clean stairs, furniture, shelves, and above-floor areas. Combined with swivel steering, this vacuum glides smoothly around furniture, corners, and tight spaces. Cleaning performance. The brushroll shutoff lets you instantly switch from deep carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor cleaning. On carpets, it delivers strong suction to lift embedded dirt and debris. On hard floors, it prevents debris scatter while maintaining excellent pickup. Pet hair and allergens. Designed with pet owners in mind, this vacuum powerfully removes pet hair and dander from carpets, upholstery, and floors. The anti-allergen complete seal with HEPA filtration traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum, helping improve indoor air quality. Capacity and attachments. The extra-large 0.87-quart dust cup allows for longer cleaning sessions with fewer interruptions. Included tools like the pet power brush, crevice tool, and dusting brush make it easy to clean baseboards, upholstery, blinds, fans, and delicate surfaces. Final thoughts. Overall, the Shark Navigator Liftaway NV356E delivers strong performance, excellent allergen control, and versatile cleaning for both floors and above-floor areas. It's a solid choice for busy households, especially those with pets. For current pricing and availability, check the product link in the description and the pinned comment.